guys, Lewis back here with another video. So yeah, basically I've got a photo shoot today. I thought I'd just quickly bring you along to show you kind of like how I shoot in the day. I'm gonna have a lot of shots done from my iPhone. It's gonna be not as good quality as 4K on my Sony a7 III, but I need this camera I'm filming on to shoot with. So I'll set my camera up a lot in location. I know I said my next video was gonna be a nighttime tip shoot, but I thought I'll just do this today because I've got a daytime shoot today and tomorrow. Thought I'd bring you along so you can see kind of like how I do it. So I'm gonna go and meet Michael now at the Shell garage on Knob Road, and then we'll head to the first spot from there. Let's go. Thought I'd quickly show you kind of like what I typically bring on like a shoot. I've got a little Gorilla Pod for my phone when I obviously want to do a little behind the scenes shots. Oh, my foot. I'll have this strap onto my camera just so when I'm doing rolling shots and stuff I don't drop it. You got the DJI plate. I'm a DJI Ronin S with 2 handles on the side, spare batteries, 2 spare batteries, air duster for the lens, bag, ND filters in there as well, ND4 all the way up to like 16 I think, 85mm lens, probably won't use it because I got the 35mm on now, as you can see, look at the bokeh in the background, jeez! Crispy boy! Screwdriver for the plates, so you don't want it coming off, the DJI box there going on. I've got a couple of bits in there. That's it really. I'll probably bring the tripod as well. Okay, yeah, I don't really use tripods in the daytime, but yeah, so that's all the stuff. Let's get kitted up and we'll go. So you sometimes might be taking pictures, but you got to clean the wheels as well. Put the extra bit of effort in. So normally what I do on shoots is I work my way around the car, finding like different angles, doing low shots as usual, and yeah. Also, when I shoot at like, I'd say 1 to 2 stops underexposed, so to retain the highlights. So I don't want to like blow out the highlights, because once you get rid of the highlights, or you blow out the highlights in a shot, it's very hard to retain them. So it's always better to bring up the shadows than try and bring down the highlights, if that makes sense. So I forgot to get some videos from our spot earlier, but it was like underneath a bridge, but I'll put the picture of it in now. Now we're at another little spot that's like in a, I guess, industrial area. Yeah, it's got like leading lines up the side, so we'll get some pretty cool shots. Right guys, so we've come to the end of the video, and I'm basically just editing the video now. thought I'd do a quick outro. So guys, I hope you got to see a little behind the scenes of like how I do shoots. You get to see like what it looks like, obviously before and after in terms of the photos and the videos as well. So you get to see like how I actually use the gimbal and get like quite low, get some of the shots, and then you get to see like the outcome of that. So I hope you enjoyed it. You can follow me at LouisMorrisMedia on Instagram, and yeah, there's going to be more videos to come. I've basically got another video coming with a black Golf R. So yeah, that's going to be a good one. So I'm actually going to drop the video relatively soon as well after this one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.